Hi. Well, have you ever had your refrigerator not work in your RV? My refrigerator is at 54 degrees. My freezer is frozen solid at under 32, working fine, but the refrigerator is not working. Well, this is what I was told to do, and it's worked fine ever since. If you look at your fridge, let's see, in the back, this thing right here has a wire on it. You slide that down or up, give it about a half an hour, and your refrigerator will be fine.